Ang ganda, brother.
Ito ang aming cabin.
Magpapainit ako.
Ayan ang aming cabin, oh. Ang ganda, oh. Ito yung loob ng kwarto, yan. Yan. Ito yung entrance. Ito yung other room. This is my room tonight. Yan. And then this is our washroom. Andali. Yan. With tub. Very nice. It feel like home. Yan. Ito naman yung aming kitchen, mini kitchen. Yan. Dahil sa busy, baka masunog ang aming kanin. Yan, ito yung ano namin, fridge, sariling fridge. Ito yung ano, dining room and living room. Gandang setup. Gusto kong ano, gayahin yung ano, setup niya.
Oh, maganda siya, di ba?
Oo. Ayan, ito yung living room, yung entrance. Tapos pag yung sa right side, yung kwarto, harapan, living room and kitchen, dining room. And then the other side, another room, tapos washroom and then kitchen. Oh, very simple. Nice one. Ayan. Alright, nandyan naman ang highway. Nandyan lang ang highway, oh. Oh, yan ang lumalabas na dumadaan na sasakyan. I will show you the
Papa-picture tayo mamaya doon, brother.
bilisan nyo kasi habang maaraw. Ay, nasaan ba? Ay, nasaan ba? Yan, ito yung labasan. Oh, ito yung pinaka bahay, buong bahay. Maraming cabin dito. Yan, sa gilid-gilid na palibutan ng cabin, nandun, oh. Ito yung buong bahay na inupaan, yan. Yan. Yun ang swimming pool. Nandun ang swimming pool. May pool, yan. That's a pool. Open, outdoor pool. Yung mga kahoy, ano na, matataas. It's an old place. Yan. May may ano, badminton area. Alright. Yan. Finally, nakalabas. Nakalabas ng probinsya. Out of province. Because this is a part of BC. Woo!